Hi, you guys. My name is Jennifer, and I'm here to help prepare you for first grade. I have a third grader and a fourth grader and a first grader, so I've been doing this a few years now. I just want to go over a few things of what we need, the books that we are required to have out. Our manual is very important, so always have that. I got sent 3 of these first grade writing tablets. I don't know if we're going to need all of them. We will need our flashcards. And there are quite a bit of books this year if you are coming over from kindergarten that I did last year. All of our test keys I kind of put in my designated area and leave the kids' books separately. If you notice, these have the rings on the side of them. Most of those are test keys. Now these are just tests for your children. We have a few books here. These are the books that we are going to be working out of this year. Kindergarten was a pretty short day, but first grade does get a little bit longer, not by a lot. I would say for maybe about 40 minutes or so. And these are all the books they were going to be reading, and they will be reading them. I feel like it was just yesterday that we have gone through these. And I wanted to go over a yearly supply list for our activity book. A lot of the things you already probably have at home, but this is a list that if you see yourself at the store and see it, do get it. There's just a few things you might not have on hand. So just go over the list and get what you can ahead of time so you're prepared for the day or the days ahead. We always start our morning with our Bible video. The instructions are in the video, but go to Appendix A if you want to go over the verse. This day did have some classroom routines they went over, so I allowed him to watch that video. We then moved on into our seat work time. The instructions are in the back of the book in Appendix B, and each day we'll have the instructions for seat work and what books are required. We'll need these 4 books this day so you can get out the arithmetic, letters and sounds, language, and our Bible activity book.
And every day that we do seat work together for that lesson, and we'll look at those papers together. So for those worksheets, we get to finish up with a fun Bible Friends coloring paper where you will get to be visiting on this paper. What's to go at the top? Students watching, can you tell me what that is? Look out. First, let me read it to you. It's called
Morning in the zoo.
They open up the gates to let the people in.
Fill in the circle under each picture that begins with E, like eh.
Egg? Is this an egg?
Egg, yeah, that is an egg. Yeah, Bella, that's an elevator. Egg.
And this is
That's a grasshopper.
Notice we have a poem at the top of this as well. I am learning fast.
We're gonna color the E's green. So the capitalized E's are green, but the lowercase E's will be blue, like these, okay? Go ahead. Do you? It's a big capitalized E, and this is a lowercase E. I like that. Did you?
Yeah.
Make sure that your worksheet is facing the same way that your name goes. So you'll begin by writing your name at the top of your Bible Friends worksheet.
We then moved on into our phonics language, and those vowels you see at the very top, you can write them down on a paper, chalkboard, dry erase board, just like this. And you can also get out the handbook for reading, and this is how it looks.
They see on our chart.
Vowels. How many vowels are there? Yeah, 5. Good job.
How many vowels do we have, Trey? Listen carefully because it's your turn next.
Apple. Good.
Elephant.
Inchworm.
Inchworm.
Good.
Ostrich.
Ostrich.
Umbrella.
Nice job. Now,
Good.
And the elephant
So you have to circle all of the E's. If it's a lowercase or capitalized, circle them. Go ahead and do that now. Good. Great. Only the E's. Yep. Any more E's?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, don't forget any E's. We then moved on into writing, where you can get out writing with phonics as well as your letter E flashcard. And this is what we're looking like. Okay, this was good work today. I love this. We then moved on into arithmetic, where you can get our arithmetic book out as well as 10 objects. I used to do beans, pastas. I just used crayons this day.
1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
How many bears are there?
1,
Look at the whole picture. How many bears? How many bears?
oh, in here.
Yeah,
2.
2, yeah. And here, how many elephants?
Elephants, 1.
And giraffes, how many giraffes?
2.
Okay, circle 2. And how many penguins?
Penguins, 3.
Yes, 3. And how many monkeys?
4.
1, 2, 3. Yep, 4. Yes, good job. Now, first graders are now going to have spelling and poetry, so you can get that spelling and poetry book out. And this is the page we're going to look for. It is in the back at page 63.
There's something that makes it different from a normal story, and we'll find out about that together. Now, the first poem that I'd like us to learn, boys and girls,
What animal is the poem going to be about?
figure it out.
Elephant.
Elephant. Good job.
Animal is big.
We then moved on into our combination practice, and in the book it will state if anything is needed. Nothing was needed this day, so we just allowed the video to play. That's number 1, right?
Yeah.
And this number?
2,
Why don't we have our boys and girls in the
4,
classroom and
5,
students watching stand
6,
up?
7.
Oh, that was
8.
close
And
enough.
we're going to continue to count all the way through.
9, 2,
That was great.
Now, the last lesson of the day was activity time. It was a fun class singing. Abeka does give you the option to purchase some extra DVDs to sing along with. I opted not to purchase any additional or anything additional, so that was our day. I want to thank you if you stuck around. I'm going to continue to post our daily lesson, and I hope you continue to follow along, and see you in our next video. Bye, you guys.